Now we're going to sand the red BMW, the headlights here, starting with 400 grit.
I'm going to wet the sandpaper. And now we're going to sand up all this grime and all the scratches and oxidation off of this headlight. So you can see this yellow grime coming off, but the 400 grit's going to take it off. See how that film is coming off here? So you got to keep pouring water on it. Look at the sandpaper. Got all that yellow grime on it. Just be careful around the edges. See that grime just coming right off. Big problem in South Florida is these headlights getting yellow, and from the sunlight over time. Usually after a couple of years, even on a new car in South Florida, they start getting yellow and oxidized, and it impairs your vision at night, and also obviously it takes away from the appearance of your vehicle. So I'm just going to pour some on here to get that.
Yeah, we see all the yellow coming right off. Want to make sure you get those corners. Sweet.
These are already starting to clear out now. So then we're going to go over it with 1500. So that'll smooth out this headlight even more. And then the final step will be buffing it, and polishing it clear.
It's a work of art.